Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Canva account step by step using the latest 2026 method. Whether you're using a computer or a mobile phone, this guide will help you get started in just a few minutes. Let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to www.canva.com. Once the website loads, click the Sign Up button in the top right corner of the screen. Now you'll see several ways to create your account. You can sign up with your Google account, your Microsoft account, your Apple account, Facebook, or by using your email address. Choose the option that works best for you. If you're signing up with Google, simply select your Google account and follow the prompts. Your Canva account will be created automatically. If you're using your email address, enter your email, create a strong password, and continue. Canva may send you a verification email. Open your inbox, click the verification link, and return to Canva. After your account is verified, Canva may ask a few quick questions, such as whether you're a student, teacher, business owner, or creating designs for personal use. Answer these questions based on your needs. You can also choose whether to start a free trial of Canva Pro. If you don't want the trial right now, simply select the option to continue with the free plan. Once you're finished, you'll arrive at the Canva home page. From here, you can start creating presentations, social media posts, YouTube thumbnails, logos, flyers, resumes, and many other types of designs. To create your first design, click Create a Design and choose a template or enter custom dimensions. That's all there is to it. You've successfully created your Canva account, and you're ready to start designing. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss future tutorials.